Hello guys, myself Kirtan. Today I am going to explain about OSI reference model. First we're gonna see introduction of OSI reference model. Next the different layers of the OSI reference model like physical layer, data link layer, network layer, transport layer, session layer, presentation layer, application layer, and last conclusion of reference OS model. First we're gonna see introduction of OSI reference model. The OSI Open System Interaction Reference Model is a computational framework that standardizes the function of a telecommunication or communication system into seven abstract layers. The OSI model is divided into seven abstract models, and they are physical layer, data link layer, network layer, transport layer, session layer, presentation layer, and application layers. The model serves a guide for design and understanding how different network protocols and technologies interact within the network. The OSI model is designed to interact between the user and the hardware systems. Next, we have physical layer. The functions of physical layers are transition media technology. The physical layer is used to transport the technology between one device to another device. Ethernet and wireless standards. Ethernet connection like internet connection to cable, and wireless standards like Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and other devices. Physical addressing, error detection and correction. If any error is occurred in the physical layer, it detects and corrects it. Hardware independence. The physical layer does not depends on the hardware input. Signal encoding. It encodes the received signals. Next, data link layer. Roles of data link layers are MAC addressing and network switching. Data link layer is used for switching the networks from one network to another network. Error detection and correction, and it is also used error detection and correction. Logical link control, addressing and accessing controls. It is also used to access the controls. Logical link control, point to point and point to multi-point communication. It is also used to communicate the different devices by one network. Next, network layer. Functions of network layers are IP addressing and subnet. Network layers are used in the IP addressing systems, routing and forwarding. OSF and RIP protocols support for different network technologies. It is also used to support the various types of technologies. Inter-network communication. It is also used to communicate the interconnected networks in the devices. And global connectivity. It also connect the global web pages and other forms. Next, transport layer. Purpose of transport layers are TCP and UDP protocols, flow control and error checking, connection establishment and termination. Transport layers is used for the establishing the connection between various terminations, end-to-end communications, error detection and correction. It is also used for detecting errors and corrections. Compatibility with different network technologies. It is easy to use in various types of technologies. Next, session layer. Functions of session layers: establishing, managing, and terminating sessions. Session layer is used to establish and manage the and terminating the various types of sessions. Synchronization and dialog control. It is also used for synchronizing various sessions and networkings. Session establishment and termination. Full duplex and off duplex communication. Independence from lower layer. Token management. Presentation layer. Roles of presentation layers are data presentation and encryption. Presentation layer is used to encrypt and decode the data. Protocol conversation and compression. It is also used for conversation and compressing the files. Error recovery and translation. It also recovers the various types of errors and translate the to the encrypted code. Character code translation. It also translate the character codes, encryption and decryption, syntax and semantic check, independence from application layer. The presentation layer is not dependent on the application, it runs as its own. Next, application layer. Roles of application layers are network services and application protocols. Application layer provides the networks and various protocols, APIs, users interface, and network virtualization. Network resource access, it's also used to access the network. End-to-end communication, it provides the communication between user and the hardware or devices. Data exchange and presentation. Application development, it is also used in the developing the various type of like, applications in the software. Security and authentication, it is also provides the security for various devices. Next, conclusion for OSI reference model. First, we have interoperability. The model facilitates interoperability between different vendors and systems by defining clear and standardized communication interface at each layer. Interoperability provides the common communication interface between user and the hardware. Modularity, the layered approach of the OSI model allows for modularity in the design and development of networking protocol and technology. It provides the various types of design for developing the various technologies and networking designs. Troubleshooting and debugging. The layer structure aids in troubleshooting and debugging network issues. The OSI model is also used for troubleshooting and debugging the various network issues. Essay of learning and teaching. The OSI model provides a structured, systematic way to understand the complex world of networking. It provides the easier way to understand and the semantic way to understand the complex world of networking. Standardization. The OSI model contributes to standardization in the field of networking by providing a common framework for the development and implementation of network protocols. The OSI model provides the common framework for the development of the various types of network protocols. Evolution and adaptability. The OSI model has proven to be a flexible and adaptable framework that can accommodate evolving technologies. The OSI model is very flexible that which it can adapt with the various technologies or modernized technologies, and it can adapt to the evolving technologies.